Hello everyone, welcome to payexchanger.com. In this video you will learn how you can transfer from Tether USDT to your Revolut bank account. So the process is very simple. First of all, you need to create login and verify your payexchanger account. Verification is quick, simple and secure. It wouldn't take more than few minutes, so you can quickly verify your account. And after that you can get money into your Revolut, Wise or N26 account, which should be your SEPA IBAN, because you can accept SEPA payments. So for that, of all, you will go to buy and sell crypto, and after that, because you are selling USDT, so here you can search Tether. So from here you will choose the network, Tether ERC20, which is Ethereum, or Tether TRC20, which is Tron network. And after that, to receive, you will accept, go to the bank. Here you can either search or just select, for example, you can select directly Wise or SEPA. They both are same, it doesn't matter. Or for example, you want to receive money in Revolut, again you can select SEPA transfer. You want to receive money in N26, you can select SEPA transfer, because all these IBANs accept euro transfers with SEPA. So it doesn't matter, you directly select Wise or SEPA transfer, or we will separately add three options for Wise separately, Revolut and N26. So you can add any option, it doesn't matter. Even for Wise, I will select SEPA transfer, so it's almost same. Next step is to enter the amount which you want to exchange, and once you enter amount, you will see the calculation how much USDT you will pay and how much euro exactly you will get into your bank account. It already include all kind of fees. So for example, if you pay, for example, 100 USDT, you will get exactly 90.82 euros. So the exchange rate updated every few seconds, so it depends at what time you are exchanging. And then here you will need to enter your IBAN, your Wise IBAN, your Revolut IBAN, or N26 IBAN, or even any other bank that which bank supports SEPA transfers. Here you need to add your address wherever, for example, you live. And for some time we don't ask address, then you don't need to edit but here you will must write your correct phone number. This is very important. Then agree to rules and click start exchange. Here you will review all of your information again, your phone number, make sure your IBAN is correct, and you can only send money to your own bank account. You cannot send to other third parties. Your name should match on pay exchanger account and on your bank account. So that's why we didn't ask your name, because we will use the name which is on your pay exchanger account. And after that, you click on pay, and now you can pay USDT from your wallet, from some exchange or anywhere. You can directly scan this QR code, or you can send exact amount to our wallet. Once your payment is received, then our team will process your order and send money to your given bank account. Thank you so much for watching this video.